Kindergarten, my name is Luz Adriana Muñoz. I am 24 years old. I am electronic engineer studying in the city of Bogota, and this is a joke for English in which my house with the be described friend in front of the house friend there is a street. There are 4 windows. There is one door in one about the door. There is a corridor. Next to the corridor, there is a plant. There is one living room. In front of the sofa is a television. In the main room of the room there is a small tablet. On the tablet are some dolls. Under the sofa there is a rug. On the sofa there are pillows. There are 2 bedrooms. Each room has a bed. Next to bed there is a dresser. On the bed there is a almond. Sometimes there are shoes under the bed. Next to the dresser is the closet. A kitchen. There is one kitchen room. Next to the walls has a tablet of pots. About the walls there is a plate holder. Next to the counter is the stove. Inside the pot there are trays. There is one bathroom. In the bathroom there is a bathtub. And next to the bathroom is the kitchen and the bedroom. Thanks for your attention, and I hope you like it.